AMC is getting out of control.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P.
Alright guys, we got a lot to talk about on AMC and of course GME, just a little bit of GME, but mostly AMC. We got the news on the mining company that they bought. We got the news on the economy, on everything going on, and all the ingredients needed to bake a short squeeze cake is there. And that's why I think that we are very close to the squeeze. Of course, I'm going to give price predictions so you guys can get the best buy opportunities, and I'm going to give you guys the squeeze rating for this week and what it is on an update on that. So let's go ahead and get in the videos, get in the chart, and check out everything and get going.
Welcome back, and as you can see, we're with the charts, and this video is basically a public service announcement, a PSA, because I need everyone to know that's holding AMC how close we could potentially be to the squeeze. You guys, if you're waiting on the sidelines, you need to get your shares now. The fact that they bought this mining company, the fact that things are tightening, that we might be going into a recession because the Fed is tightening. They are raising interest rates. We did see that today, that they are confirming that they are raising interest rates, that the Fed is tightening, and they are fighting inflation. Inflation, that the numbers that we are seeing now on prices and assets are going to be nothing to the numbers we see later, because inflation is probably not going anywhere. We're probably going to go into a recession, and I can do this in another video based on the economy or whatever, but we're probably going to go into a recession. We're technically in one now, especially if we deliver negative GDP results for the USA on this quarter, because 2 negative quarters overall are a technically recession. But let's go ahead and talk about AMC. So basically what we're doing is tightening right here. So like the Fed, but not really. What we're doing is we're tightening. As you can see, price is constricting, getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. And as it does, it winds up like a spring. And what does a spring do when it gets tight? It pops. Okay, we're getting a lot of gamma, a lot of good news, good earnings. Things are getting absolutely insane for AMC. I wish I could explain. That's what the video is for. I'm gonna explain to you guys why things are absolutely insane for this stock, because the fact that they bought the gold stock, HYMC, the mining company, okay, which also you could have made money on as well. As you can see, it made a nice pop. Here is the chart for the mining stock that AMC bought. Now they are a fundamental and a value play. They're a growth play and a fundamental play. Okay, this play is epic, and it ruins the short thesis. It's a short thesis killer. This is huge news for AMC. I know a lot of people are against it, but if you're really looking at what's going on, you are for this. But let's go ahead and get into the technical analysis and what the charts are telling us. As you can see, we're tightening and tightening and tightening, and we had a great day today as we were up 0.4%. We came a little bit down in the after hours, but as you can see, we bounced off of 1430, this support here, bounced off of it very, very cleanly, and it's acting as a strong support and not resistance anymore, as we were below that level, as when I predicted in my videos that we might see $12. But as I also predicted, that we can't go much lower because the shorts are tempted to cover at anything close to $10 to $12. The shorts are very tempted to cover. If the shorts start to cover, then we will see an increase in price. Then there will be FOMO from the retail investors and the gamma squeezes from the market makers having to hedge, and then we will get the said short squeeze. The same thing for GME. It had a great day because it kind of wanted to spy more and it was kind of flat. But these stocks follow it closely, very closely to each other, and GME was the original squeeze play. I want all of AMC holders to know that, whether that makes you happy or not. GME was the original squeeze play. And if we look on the smaller time frame, we can see that we do have this trend line here that we are following from that $13 mark to show us that we are on a steady uptrend as of now until this trend is broken. So that is basically what we have for the technical analysis. Tomorrow I'm expecting a slight pullback, maybe to this $14 level early in the day, and then we will see probably a rip on there on 4th. I am expecting the average price to stay between $16 and $17 until Friday. I don't think the hedge funds are ready to give up the fight just yet, and they're going to throw everything they have it. And as you can see, Ortex short interest is showing an increase in short interest, so you can tell that the shorts are loading up. and getting their shorts ready to push this stock down with everything they have because of all the bullish news we have. And as you can see, as the shorts increases, the prices go down. That's just a fact of the matter. And this is Ortex. This is showing us the short interest data. As this shows you, we have a huge amount of institutional ownership. We have BlackRock that owns this, Wells Fargo, many institutions that own this stock and that are in this. So if it's hedge funds versus hedge funds, sometimes there's hedge funds on the other side of their trades, and hedge fund means hedge. That means they're on both sides of a trade. That means they own shorts and longs normally because they're hedging their position. As you can see, calls in the money, 30,000 calls in the money if we get above $16. So if we get above $16, expect a possible gamma squeeze. Gamma squeeze, guys. That means that the price will dramatically increase because the market makers have to cover these calls in the money. 30,000 is enough to get a gamma squeeze before. So beware of $16. You're going to see the shorts heavily defending that $16 mark, and that's why I put the max price for this week at $16 to $17 and the minimum price at $14 to $12. So that is my price prediction. And for the squeeze happening this week, my squeeze rating remains a 6, as I mentioned in my last video. In my next video, I will give a squeeze rating for the next week on the potential of the squeeze rating. But so far, I think the squeeze is very close. Things are lining up. Basically like a cake you need to bake, and we have all the ingredients in this play. AMC is absolutely going insane. So I'm happy to see what's going to happen this weekend. As you guys know, Friday is the call options close day, so we're probably going to see them pushing down very hard on Friday. As you guys can see, they are loading up more short interest, as Ortex is showing 21% short interest. This is the fastest way and most accurate way we can get short interest, other than the details from somewhere like Fidelity or New York Stock Exchange or somewhere like this, Market Beat. So that is what the shorts are, or what the data is telling us. So I gave you guys my price predictions. Again, it's between $16 and $17 for the high and the low of $12 to $14. I really don't think it's going to see that. I think it's going to be along the lines of $16 to $17, but they're going to try to keep us below $16, and that's why I put my max high price for this week at $16 or $17. But hopefully you found this video informative. Guys, I just need you to know how close it is. So if you're waiting, get in now. It's going to happen quick. Things are going to start happening quickly. Things are going to be more sped up. It was a long lull. I've been in this play since it was $5, since the first run up to $20, okay? I'm telling you guys, get in now before it's too late. Hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.
Alright, so that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.